In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ETH future while examining Ethereum cost gauge for 2023. And then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions in the event that ETH is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ETH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines, brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023. Particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-0701 plus 0.38% $, 1918.60, 2023-0702 plus 7.39% $, 2052.42, 2023-0703 plus 1.40% $, 1937.97, 2023-0704 plus 1.99% $, 1949.25, 2023-0705 plus 5.78% $, 2021.67, 2023-0706 plus 0.14% $, 1913.99, 2023-0707 plus 7.97% $, 2063.61, 2023-07-08 1.72% $, 1878.35, 2023-07-09 plus 3.13% $, 1971.10, 2023-07-10 plus 2.05% $, 1950.50 Ethereum value forecast, 2023 high expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Crypto Vault's expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 July plus 1.99% $1949.29 2023 August 7.68% $1764.46 2023 September 1.25% $1887.36 2023 October plus 5.30% $2012.62 2023 November plus 8.53% $2074.38 2023 December plus 15.68% $2211.00 2024 Jan plus 22.71% $2,345.2. 2024 February plus 37.31% $2,624.35. 2024 Blemish plus 43.63% $2,745.22. 2024 April plus 36.74% $2,613.51. 2024 May plus 45.61% $2,782.99. 2024 June plus 54.50% $2,952.89. ETH value forecast 2025, our expectation model sees ETH coming to $16,054.56 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $4,517.92, as per Crypto Vault's forecast model. Ethereum value expectation 2030-2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Ethereum coming to $40,136.39 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Ethereum coming to $80,272.78 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1,651.33. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $40,136.39 or much higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $40,136.39 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around plan promoting procedure, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go?